My name is Roberto Manfredini. I'm Associate Professor of Internal Medicine and Chief of the Internal Medicine Unit called Clinica Medica at the 7th century-old University of Ferrara and General Hospital of Ferrara, Italy, northeast of Italy. And I presented this morning a study from our group in collaboration with the University of Insubria, Varese. Professor Ageno is the leading, and dealing with the chronobiology of aortic aneurysms. There is a time for all in medicine, and there is a time also for acute cardiovascular events, and in particular for aortic disease, with a seasonal peak with the highest frequency in winter and in autumn, and a monthly preference, usually in January, and a day-of-week preference, usually in Monday, and also a circadian, more important, with the highest frequency of risk in the early morning hours. So we presented the ultimate systematic review and unpublished data of a meta-analysis to calculate, to estimate such a higher risk. And we found that as for seasonal variation, January and winter has a 1.17, 1.21 odds ratio, and for day of week, Monday has a 1.21 of relative risk, and for morning hours, the risk is higher, is about 59, 60%, and comparing night to morning hours, 139% of absolute risk. Very, very impressive. On one end, there is some mechanisms underlying that make a risk for a constellation of events peaking at the same time, probably not harmful taken together. And another hypothesis is that the peripheral biological clocks may be desynchronized, and desynchronization of circadian biological clock may lead to overt pathology. This is about my fourth or fifth attendance. First was in Toronto in 2008, and I was really just impressed from the first time from the friendly atmosphere and the possibility to exchange your data and your experience with leading scientists. Usually you see only in the reference of the great papers of the great journals. So you have a little talk, to dinner with, have a cup of coffee, and exchange your cultural and also not cultural, also social habits, and it's very, very friendly and very, very nice. It's a good experience. I suggest to all the colleagues to join or try at least one time, and maybe they will return.